This channel makes money on YouTube every single day just by posting free sound effects that you can find online. There are so many creative ways to start making money from your YouTube videos. In fact, it's actually very easy to find YouTube channel ideas where you don't need to show your face, but what if you didn't need to record anything at all? That's right, no camera, no face, no voice. Is it even possible? Well, yeah, it is. In fact, there are lots of channels on YouTube doing just that, and they're making a lot of money in the process. So let me show you an example. This is Relaxing White Noise, a channel with over 2 million subscribers. And as you can see, the content of each video is pretty much what the name describes. Every video is around 10 hours long and focuses on a particular relaxing sound effect. And if we click on one, you can see that the videos are extremely simple. Just one image or video clip with a sound effect running in the background. And that's it. So honestly, anybody could start making this style of video with just some simple editing software. And to prove it, let me show you just how simple it would be. All you need to do to get started is search for some royalty-free sound effects online. For example, you could use this website called Freesound, and in the search bar, I'm going to look for rainforest sounds, and I'll download one of these files like so. And now we need to find some royalty-free video footage to play over that sound effect. And I've left a link down below to the VEED free stock footage library. And if we go on here and select nature, I'm going to download this video right here, which is a nice green forest shot. Now over in my editing software, I'm going to add both clips to my timeline. And essentially, I'm just going to copy and paste both files until it's about 10 hours long. So I'm going to copy both of them there and just paste, paste, paste. Keep pasting until it's as long as I want it to be. And I'm also going to add a simple audio transition onto the audio clips, just so the sound effect is seamless and there's no cuts or jumps, because that might ruin the whole relaxing experience. And there we go. That's it. That's now ready to export and upload to YouTube. And that editing process didn't take me any longer than 5 minutes. And now just imagine how many different variations you could make of this style of video. You can use rain sounds, you could use thunder, or even a crackling campfire. It's honestly never ending. So now I guess it's time to answer that big question. How much money can you make from posting these kinds of videos? You may have heard of a website called Social Blade where you can type in the name of any YouTube channel and they give you a sort of estimate for what they might be earning. And according to them, the Relaxing White Noise channel is making anything from around £100 to £4,000 every single day, just from making these really simple videos. And listen, I'm not going to lie to you and say that it's as easy as making these videos, posting them, and you're going to make money right away. There's a little bit more to it than that. Obviously, you need to unlock YouTube's monetization features to start earning money, and channels like Relaxing White Noise use a lot of simple tricks to get their videos found in the YouTube search. If you take a look at the titles and the descriptions of their videos, you'll see that they're filled with really good keywords. Phrases like rain sounds for sleep or ambience have really good search volume, and including these in your title and a description is only going to help them get more views. And you can use tools like TubeBuddy to help you optimize your videos for search and do some keyword research. But overall, this just goes to show how many creative ways there are to start making money on this platform. If you found this video interesting, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel for some more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.